I'm going to show you how to replace your flying line on your DreamStick X. To do so, you're going to first start with unwinding your lines on your bar, so the lines are off the bar, and then you're going to grab your new flagging line. And the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull your flagging line from underneath here, the chicken loop. So you're going to get it off from here. And the idea is you expose this knot here. Then you're going to move the metal ring above this knot in order to be able to take that knot apart. You take the loop out and take that apart. And you can discard your flying line that most likely was broken if you need to fix it. So here, you can locate this side with the shrink wrap. Here, the black shrink wrap is the bottom of your flag line. This is the top, this is the bottom. First thing you're going to do is you're going to put the plastic piece here, and then you're going to insert that metal ring. To insert that metal ring, you go this. And then you go like that. You have that in, and you push that. You can push the sleeve back, down, like that. Now you are just simply going to reconnect the sleeve here to your flying line. To do so, you go through this way, and then you insert the whole bottom through the loop. Make it as flat as possible, as tight as possible. And now you're gonna pull the flying line by pulling up here through your flying line. And you're done.